Welcome to another episode of Jumpin' in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. Today's episode kicks off season 2 of Jumpin' in the Pot. And today's first recipe of the season will be Char Siu Chinese BBQ Pork. Now, these are the ingredients that I will be using for my Char Siu Chinese BBQ Pork. I'm using Chinese cooking wine, soy sauce, Hoisin sauce, sesame oil, molasses, salt, white pepper, red food coloring, honey, minced garlic, Chinese 5-spice, granulated white sugar, and of course, the pork. I'm using pork shoulder. You can either slice it or cut it into large cubes like I have. And it's good to have some fat on it when you're cooking it. I'm going to marinate the pork with these ingredients. You have to marinate it for at least 8 hours or up overnight in the refrigerator. That's the honey, the garlic, the sugar, the Chinese 5-spice, the molasses, the salt, the white pepper, the sesame oil, the hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and the Chinese cooking wine. Now, the red food coloring is optional. Now, this is the next step. We mix everything up together. You see? Now I'm going to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate overnight. And I will see you in the morning. Welcome back. Now we're going to pick up where we left off from yesterday. The pork was marinating in the refrigerator overnight. And this is it. Now we're going to move on to the next step. Now we're going to put the pork on the rack. I have my oven here set to 375 degrees. You're going to roast it for 25 minutes on one side and then flip it over to the next and roast it again for another 25 minutes. And with the leftover sauce from the pork that we have, we're going to cook it for about 10 minutes and brush the sauce over the pork. See the pork? Now I'm going to put it in the oven. I've taken the pork out of the oven. It was cooking 25 minutes. This is the next step we do. We take the sauce and we brush it on the pork. Then after we brush it on the pork, we're going to put it back in the oven for another 25 minutes. There. I've taken it out the oven and plated it up. Char Siu, Chinese BBQ Pork. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I will see you soon in another video. Bye.